Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a maze game in Scratch. So what you want to do is get your character and keep and make a walking frame because we'll need this for later if you want them to walk. First we'll start off with the controls. So do the when green flag clicked forever. Now what we're gonna do after this is if if key let's do A pressed, move 10 steps, no, negative 10 steps. So yeah, A is for left. So if we copy this, put 10, put D, then we'll make him be able to move around. I know, just copy this, but instead of making it use steps, we'll make it have change Y by 10. So press W and make a W so it can go up. And you want to copy this, make it negative 10. Change this to S, so now your character can move around. If you want to make them smaller, you can do that. And we want to actually make the maze, so let's do this. I don't know what's happening right now. Not pressing shift, okay. Anyway, you're going to want to make a border. Now copy this, go to another sprite and paste it, so that makes it it won't go like this. And if you want to, you can adjust it a little bit. It's your choice. So yeah, we got this, but make the actual map. So this will be okay. No, just 45, 25. 25 will be good. No, wait, first. Right now we have a problem because you can just go through everything. So just adjust. So just go to the cat and copy this. So now just take the and block, put the A over here. And you wanna get this and then change it to the color of your border. So now put it here and change this to 10. So now you'll see if we touch it while going this way, you can't run into it. Oh yeah. And don't forget to make your character when you press the green flag, make sure that it goes over there. Look, make it do that. Now you want to just do this for the other ones. So Now you can see that you can't touch the like walls when you run into them. Now we're gonna add some lava. Let's add some over here. And some here. Oh yeah, you can make your character or whatever slower. So yeah, now he's a little bit slower, so you can actually like control him a little bit more. You don't need lava in your maze. You can just like add it for like a little bit of difficulty. So like to make the lava work, it's pretty simple. Green flag clicked. Green flag clicked forever if touching color, whatever color the lava is. Broadcast dead, or you can make it whatever. Now you want to make a blue screen. Now you want to make it when green flag clicked, hide, and when I receive that, show. Look. And we want to also make a windscreen. I want to make this hide, and like over here, like make a yellow for the wind. Make like a yellow part or whatever color you want. Make it here. So like when you touch it, it says like you won, you know? So I want to make this hide. And you want to do the same thing that you did for the that or the lava. So take this. Wait, let me just add some more lava. Yeah, that's better. And make it so win when I receive win. So yeah, test it out and see how it works. If you're happy with it, then you can edit it a little bit, and if you're not happy with it, if you're happy with it, then you can still edit it. I'm not saying that you can't edit it, but like you don't have to. And if you're not proud of it, you can like edit it a little bit to make it better. And if you want to make him walk, and just take this forever if key any pressed, then no. If key any pressed, then next costume, else cat, switch costume to cat. So now you wait. So yeah, that's it. If you liked my tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I have like, how many subscribers do I have again?
Some of the
some of ya. So please like. Bye bye.